Hello, my beautiful people. How are you all doing? Today we are back again with another topic: submissive wife. Marriage is not meant for everybody. Thank you for those that are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you for those that have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. What they go to if you not subscribe to you gain. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Show your guests all love. Let's make this work, guys. This YouTube, let's make it work. My channel will talk about life, what is happening in our life, our day-to-day life. I give out advice on things that are going on in our life, things that is going on in Europe, what people do in Europe, in Africa, we black, what we are really going through in life, what life is all about. This is what we talk about in this channel. Advice, we talk. If you want to be a part of this family, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up, and press the notification bell. Whenever I upload any video, you will be the first to be notified. Show your guests some love. Let's grow this channel, guys. Today we are going to be talking about submissive wife. I heard about it when I was going through my Facebook page, and I come across this lady preaching submissive wife. I was like, am I a submissive wife? He said, that question big. I think you submissive wife. Sumo. Only what if it's sumo now? Which one is sumo? He said, if I think you dey try, sha. I look at myself, I say, what if be submissive wife? Look what is this woman talk. You say, now what you dey do, sha? You dey try. He sat me down. He told me, say, God, Oshana, God will bless you, my wife. The respect we put for my body, you don't know. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. I was like, me? Better harsh now. He said you harsh. He said, but you na person when they respect you person. You they respect. You they harsh. When you vex, you they talk. Now that nobody for this life is perfect. Nobody for this life is perfect. That means you're not perfect, my wife. You're not perfect, but submissive to me. I was very happy that my husband can compliment me like that. Now true say I submissive. I was like, me not submissive. I said, no, you submissive. Or that means you persist. You go persist me to do what you will persist me. If yes never come out from my mouth, you don't do that thing. But you don't go let me rest. That thing you go fit do am. He said that thing. He explained it more to me. He said that thing you go fit do am. Without my yes, you go fit do am. You go run now without my yes. He said, but you go wait when you get that yes from me before you do that thing. He said, I love you for that. He said, you are very submissive. Your man go fit talk that thing, talk the same thing for you. Not say because I did social media. Not say because I did social media that make me they talk like this. Who know me know say I did very harsh, but I am submissive. I know what I want. In life, marriage not made for everybody. Let that man be the man in his own. If you gather man, marry some man, see gather man, respect him. Man and man, don't they see half man? Have you ever seen a man in social media naked? You go the naked, you go the dance, you go the naked. For example, for all those Nollywood movies, the naked or the dance. When the women the naked dance, have you ever seen a man naked and dance? No, because men they are kings. Man is man. No matter how small it is, he's a man. He's a man. When they do this music video, girls go they shake their hands naked. But man, you can never see man naked shaking hands. Nah, that is, he's a man and man. Not say this man too small. If you gather man marry some woman, gather man then see respect her. We women with the but in midst of that, at the talk, at the verse, you know, when at the quarrel, when we go quarrel at the talk, me not person when not the short of fan. But he still called me a submissive wife. I go fit do that, but I must seek up. He must tell me, say, he must give me go ahead. Unlike when I wanted to open this my YouTube channel. Early this year, I said, okay, I was begging my husband, say, honey, I for like open this YouTube channel. It did make me happy if I did talk to people. He said, what do you want to do for the? I said, I want to talk. He said, no, I'm not agree. I'm not agree. You not go open now. I relax. Somebody else talked to him. He said, no, my wife don't do that one. I relax. I bring it up again. Oh no. I'm going to go make me happy. Oh. If you do this thing for me, you go make me happy. Why you know you're doing for me on it? You make me happy. He said no. I begged and beg and beg. I always bring it up. Honey, I beg, man, open this YouTube channel now. You said, I said no. But on a very good day, I asked her, I said, you know that they always make you happy. Anything, some things when you do when I don't like. I don't like them, but I go always make you happy. He said, my wife not be lie. Make yourself happy. Open your YouTube channel. I go support you. I don't be what I like. I don't like him. Don't put me. No, I don't go join for this your YouTube. I say no. No what I go do on myself. Not ask me any question. I say no. No what I go do on myself. If they cost you, no let me know. I go do on myself. Don't worry. If they cost you, no vessel. I go do one. My husband say I go do one. I go do one. I go fit do one. So okay, I go support you. But anything when you see concerning all those things, any negative, positive thing when you see now your head, you. I say yes, I go do one. But today, look at today now. I open my YouTube channel. He's even supporting me the best way he can. The best way he can. I love him to come and do 1 or 2 videos with me. He said no, but I go see they try my best. I go see they try my luck. Maybe one day he go change his mind. That's all I be. What makes you a submissive wife is thing when you go fit do something. When you go fit do, you first of all you ask for your husband opinion. You know say this thing you go fit run am no level without your husband. You go fit run am, but you still ask for his opinion. On it, I for like do this thing. He tell you say no, you bro. You say no. That husband say no. You go again on it. I for like do this thing. This thing they make me happy. This thing they make me happy. If I do, it go make me happy. It go make my mind. It go make me happy. That man will love you. You go say no. But as you persist, you persist. You keep on asking him. One day you go tell you say okay, done. Now small. That thing when you don't want they make you happy. If you say they make you happy, then you go give you ideas on babe, if you do one like this, it go make sense. A submissive wife, now when you get that money, you want to do something. You get idea to want to do something. Your husband say no. You know yours go do one. You know your go rush go do one. You wait for a consent. Say when you go give you that consent, say yes, do it. You wait for now. Don't be say you don't go fit do one. Don't be say we wise. We women we wise. But don't use that wiseness say they rule your husband. No. Don't be say I no go fit do one. I no fit open that YouTube without saying no. I go open, I go do one, no level. But I'll wait. Make it give me the go ahead to do one. He give me that go ahead. I can't do one. Now I'm happy. I'm happy. When that question comes from submissive wife, I ask myself, I ask my husband, am I a submissive wife? It's small. I ask her again. I will try me some more now. Tell me if I know be submissive wife, just tell me. I go understand. Even with myself, nothing say. He asked me again. He asked me, say, are you a submissive wife? I said, even with myself, nothing say I be submissive wife. Say my wife, you be submissive wife. You never do something when I not say no. Or that means say you go, you always persist, you go always the ask, I say yes. But if I not say yes, you not go do one. That's one me say you did submissive. If I not say yes, you not go do one. And you know say me not go fit tell you, I not go fit make you unhappy. Anything will go make you happy, I go always do one. But you see, say tell me, you see my this you I be man for my own house. You know, so we women we are very smart, we are very wise. Not say because they say you smart, you wise, you use until they rule your man. Man and man. No small man, no big man. Man and man. Let that man be man in his own house. Not they rule that man because now you they provide, now you they bring that money come make una day. Now you they bring provide una daily money when I take they eat. You woman, now you they provide the money when I take they eat. Don't rule on that man. Man and man. Man when truly love you, it go make you look good. Man when truly love you, go know say this thing my wife need them. Being a submissive, I know me say you be momo. You dey respect your husband. You dey seek his opinion before you do something. Now normal thing for we wife to do to husband, because Bible say man and man be the head of his home. Not be the woman. Now man, let that man be man. Let that no they say you go fit do that thing, you go fit do that thing. Some women go they rain abuse you, rain curse on the man. No, respect your man. No matter as to more, even though say you senior that man, respect him. Respect is reciprocal. You go as you respect that man, the man go reciprocate that love to you. He go respect you in return. Now use and tell me. He go respect you in return. Respect that man. No matter how that man small, you marry and you small. Respect that man. If they do respect, if they do respect him, he has respect him. Respect him. Respect matters in every marriage. Be a submissive wife. Don't be a tigress. Do not be a tigress. Be a submissive wife. Be a wife to your husband and a mother to your children. Now I can tell you this evening. Thank you guys for watching me till now. God bless you all. Stay safe and happy weekend. Happy new month, guys. God bless you. Please like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and bye bye for now. Till I come your way again next week. Bye bye.